गाइस देखो ये हम this is our part 2. This is our part 2 of this game. This is our part 2 of this game. Habib bro, Habib bhai.
Yeah, bro.
One thing bad happened with me.
What?
I'm just trying to check how much minutes I'm just recording, and by mistake I stopped recording. So my recording has been saved. So I'm making part 2. But it's nice. Make part 1, upload part 1, then upload part 2. It's nice.
No, you can like both parts can be set from Master.
No, I will send this both part together now. No, one I will send just right now, and one I will send tomorrow. But people will thought I'm doing voiceover, I'm doing recording, but no face cam, because this app not having face cam. I'm already landing on Paraground. You know what I call before Paraground? When I don't know about Paraground, I call Paraground, you know what?
I call it Orata.
No, I call it unknown ground.
What the hell?
No problem, I will take your revenge.
Yeah.
Take RDS.
Yeah, how the hell is it killing, bro?
His clothes is like a noob, but he having a pro gun. Go! He's almost damaged. He don't have any heal also. Go! Kill him. Oh, one guy has come to kill him. Go! Rush and kill. Be careful. He will come to loot it. I'm also coming. Don't thought you are alone. Loot it up. He having only gun. Where is the guy which we have to kill? Where is the guy? Where is the Adios guy? I spotted up.
Where the heck is that?
No, he's not that guy, but he's also like a pro yaar.
Changing that.
Let me change my loadout. Okay, the guy has reached. Kill him fast. Let us check. He having us AK-117. Oh, he having the pro AK-117.
He has a legendary gun. OMG.
I know. Oh, if he having the Aswal also pro gun. He having the normal Aswal. You pick up the pro gun, yaar. Let me also check use now. Come on, guy. Come on, yaar. He come back. I think he come back. Where is his loot box? What the hell, yaar? Don't die, please. Don't die.
No. He got my AK-117. He got his AK-117. Take him down. Take the AK-117 fast.
I got your AK-117.
Yes. Can you give me
Okay. I will use for sometimes. Then I will give you back. Okay.
What?
I will use for sometimes and I will give you back. Okay. Let me also use for sometimes now.
Yeah.
Okay. First. You have to loot. First, you have to get loot because you can't take AK-1. And I'm not a pro. I will die. So stay with me because I can die. I'm not a good player, you know. Let's go to new windows. Yeah.
Listen. Somebody died here, okay? I can hear voice like, ew.
I know the... Oh, enemy has reached. Oh my god. I get damage also, yaar. I'm using AK-117, but listen. If you're killing one guy, don't stay near him and kill him back because the particles can damage you also. And if you're staying too close, it can chance to die.
Can you give me?
Okay.
Can you give me the AK-117?
Take fast. Otherwise, enemy will take it. Okay, I'm taking your one. Let's go to new cell house.
Be with me, Arantas. Be with me.
Come inside. Come inside from here. You also be careful because your AK-117 will lost. It will be dead. Don't fight right now. Come up. Let's go up. Oh no, the system has been hacked. Come up fast. Come here. Stand over here. Yeah. Stay here for long. Guys, हाँ मैं इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों में बात करूँ. सॉरी, जिससे समझ आती है वो समझ. वैसे वेट हिलो मत. लुक AK-117. Come here.
Arantas, come here.
Wait. I'm coming, please don't rush. If you're rushing, we will die. Where are you? I can't saw you. Why are you going too far?
Your teammate has been killed. System online.
Why are you coming too far, yaar? You don't know we can die? Let's go down. No. I get damage. Come down. Don't stay up. You can get damage. Inside.
Two are there.
You are inside or outside?
Inside. That's why I told you. No. He is having the AK-117.
Oh no. 3 actually. There are 3 become.
9, 8.
They become 3. We will go there and kill them fastly. They can't use AK-117. We will pick up our custom guns. Come fast. We will go. I kill one. Can you give me some backup?
Oh my god.
Can you
And,
not come back?
Supply drop inbound.
We will kill the AK-117. Then I will go from here.
Yes, AK-17, and thus you have to be very careful. Very careful, bro. And thus you have to go to the zone. Go to the zone. Go to the
We
zone.
are inside the
Go
zone.
in the center. Number 2. Be with number 2. He has war machine. He has war machine.
Oh, come on. I get stuck.
Oh, come on.
He having level 3 vest and war machine. Come on, guy. He... I knew it. I don't have vest. I knew it.
How stupid is?
Actually, is it? Okay, I think we finish it here because now my food time. So we are going to finish it up. If you having more ideas what we can do in Call of Duty, so please write it in comments. And there are 8 me 50 like it. Please complete. Please complete 50 like it. Please complete 50 like it. Please complete. So there for it. Bye bye guys.